Colligative properties. Now we are going to discuss colligative property number 3, that is elevation in boiling point. Elevation means increment or increase in the boiling point. We denote it by delta Tb. We define it when a non-volatile solute, non-volatile means solid solute, is added in the liquid solvent, then the boiling point, the boiling temperature of solution becomes greater than the boiling point of solvent. So जब भी हम कोई नॉन वोलेटाइल सॉल्यूट मीन्स सॉलिड सॉल्यूट किसी लिक्विड में डिसॉल्व करते हैं, सॉल्यूशन बनाते हैं, तो सॉल्यूशन का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हमेशा सॉल्वेंट से ज़्यादा ही मिलेगा. This change in boiling point, change in boiling temperature is called elevation in boiling point. Let us discuss the reason behind this elevation in boiling point. When we add solid molecules, then solid molecules occupy the space between the liquid molecules. And we know that solids have greater force of intermolecular force of attractions. So due to the solid molecules, the intermolecular force of attractions between the molecules of solute and solvent increases. Due to attraction, the solid molecules do not allow the liquid molecules to vaporize or to boil. Solid के जो molecules हैं वो solvent के molecules को अपनी तरफ attract करेंगे और उन्हें वेपोराइज होने से रोक देंगे, स्लो कर देंगे वेपोराइजेशन की प्रोसेस को, और बॉइलिंग नहीं हो पाएगी. दिस इज द रीजन बिहाइंड द इंक्रीज इन बॉइलिंग टेम्परेचर. वी मस्ट नो द वर्ड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. व्हाट इज बॉइलिंग टेम्परेचर? बॉइलिंग टेम्परेचर इज द टेम्परेचर एट विच वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ द लिक्विड, लिक्विड के जो वेपर्स होते हैं उनका प्रेशर, वेपर प्रेशर ऑफ द लिक्विड becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. एटमोस्फियर का जो प्रेशर होता है जिसे हम मोस्ट कॉमनली 1 atm यूज करते हैं, लिक्विड के वेपर्स का प्रेशर भी उसी के बराबर होना चाहिए. लाइक इफ वी टेक टू एग्जांपल्स, एग्जांपल A and B as in the diagram. Example A have less vapor pressure 0.7 atm. So there is no boiling takes place because the vapor pressure is not equal to the vapor pressure of atmosphere. But in case of B, the vapor pressure increases and the pressure becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure, that is 1 atm. So that is called boiling. So ध्यान रखना, boiling हमेशा 1 atm पर ही exist करेगी in normal conditions. So boiling temperature is the temperature at which vapor pressure of the liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure of the liquid. Now let us check out how we calculate or how we use the elevation in boiling point for the calculation of molar mass of solute. Let me remind, colligative properties are helpful to calculate the molar mass of solute. So using the property, the change in boiling point delta Tb, that is directly proportional to concentration. Which concentration? Molality. We are using the molality here because molality does not change with the change in temperature. This property, this concentration term, molality, is independent of the change in temperature. So we are using this concentration term for this colligative property. Delta Tb is directly proportional to molality because molality depends on the number of moles of solute. So now put the proportionality constant Kb. Delta Tb equal to Kb into molality. Delta Tb change in boiling temperature. Kb is called proportionality constant, also named as molal depression constant. It is also called ebullioscopic constant. The definition of Kb is important. Sometimes it is asked in the CBSE. Kb is the molal depression constant, also called ebullioscopic constant. Ebullioscopic constant have the formula Kb equal to delta Tb divided by molality. So from here we can find the unit of Kb. So unit of Kb equal to unit of delta Tb is Kelvin. Unit of molality is mole per kilogram. So finally we got unit of Kb equal to Kelvin kilogram per mole. Now we can write the definition of Kb. We know Kb equal to delta Tb divided by molality. Let us take molality equal to 1. That means we are using 1 molal solution. Then Kb equal to delta Tb. So delta Tb, change in boiling point of 1 molal solution, is equal to Kb, molal elevation constant और ebullioscopic constant. जब भी हम 1 मोलल सॉल्यूशन यूज करेंगे उसका जो भी बॉइलिंग टेम्परेचर चेंज होगा दैट इज इक्वल टू मोलल elevation constant, also called ebullioscopic constant. Simple definition. From here we can also say that higher the value of Kb ज़्यादा होगा तो टेम्परेचर का चेंज भी ज़्यादा होगा. Higher the value of Kb, higher will be the change in boiling point. We can also draw the graph for the boiling point. The graph will be, we take the pressure in the y-axis and we take the temperature on the x-axis. First line we draw for the solvent. So the solvent line cut the line of pressure at 1 atm, that is the boiling point temperature of solvent. We denote it by T naught B. Now draw the line for the solution. Obviously we know solution have greater boiling point, so the line will go away from the y-axis and we finally get at the same pressure 1 atm. Maybe solvent, maybe solution, always boils at 1 atm pressure in normal conditions. So the temperature of the solution from the graph we got is greater than the boiling temperature of solvent. So this graph shows the variation in the boiling temperature. The main target for this is to calculate the molar mass of the solute. Now we know the formula of molality. Molality equal to Wb upon Mb multiplied by 1000 upon Wa. So mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute divided by mass of solvent should be in kilogram. We know for the elevation in boiling point, delta Tb equal to Kb into molality. Now put the value of molality and calculate the value of Kb. We got capital MB, molar mass of solute, equal to Kb into Wb into 1000 divided by Wa into delta Tb. So repeating again, the main target for the colligative property is to calculate the molar mass of solute. Some common examples are like water. Water have the boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. But if we add salt or sugar, then it boils at more than 100 degrees Celsius. So this shows that this is a colligative property because it depends on the number of solute particles.